Well, welcome again YouTube to Mama Jenny's Mexican Journey, and this time we're going to be doing an unboxing of my Mavic Drone Mini. So here we go. Perfect. Box there, and this is what we have. So now I have this first covering off. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this thing for so long. I ordered it from Amazon and I had it sent to an address in the US, and someone brought it as they were coming to Mexico for me so that I could continue my journey here. So here we go. And what's in the rest? There's something in here. Ouch, ouch, ouch. There's something in here. And we'll see what it is together. And I think this is the final one. Something in here. It's heavy. Okay. And then there's something in here as well. I thought it was packaging. I was getting ready to throw it in the trash. But I think these are my propellers. Whew. Go Jenny. And I can safely say that I think the rest is just packaging. So now it really goes in the trash. Here we go. So let's open this one first. It's got a zip tab. Easy enough. Okay, what do we have in here? I think this is a drone itself. It is so small, it's tiny, it's like a toy. But I actually know it's not because it costs too much. So let's put him safely here and see what's in the other two containers. Okay, more packaging. Easy slide out. Oh, this must be where I charge the batteries. Yeah, that's correct. So we put them here for a minute. And what's here? Oh, this is where the phone goes after it's attached to the drone. After it's attached to the batteries so that I can control it. So these are my controllers, and so we'll put those safely there. And then there are little packets. I have to be careful because my initial reaction, throw it in the trash. I think these are replacement propellers. Let's look at them. I can always put them back in there after this unboxing. Oh, and little clips. I don't know if you can see them. Propellers and little clips to put them in. And we'll put them there. So that's another box. Oh, there's something else in there. You gotta watch me because I will throw stuff away. These are another set of replacement propellers and clips and another one. You see, when I ordered this drone, I ordered the combo pack, so it gives me replacements and many other bits and pieces that wouldn't come with a regular order of this, just a drone mini. And in this box, let's open it together. Let's see what's in here. These are charging thingies, charging wires, and these. Oh, these are adapters. I'm not sure what this is. These are the toggle switches for moving the drone around. The controllers. Not sure what that is. And these are some more charging wires.
And so there you have it, the Mavic Mini. You have the controller, and then you have the charging cables and the little adapter cables for attaching the controller to the phone. You have the little screwdriver for putting on the propellers, and then the little joysticks for the controllers, the little knobs that connect to the controller. The battery charger, very nice battery charger there. And of course the case that comes with the option pack. Very nice sturdy case with cushioning. DJI Mavic, very nice. Zips up with a nice little handle on it to carry everything neatly. And of course the spare propellers.
So let's see what's in the other boxes. Here we go. First box. Oh, that's one of those plug things. Charging block it's called. My husband is helping me out with the technical words because for me, it's a charging thingy. So that goes there. And in this box are all my instructions. I will need those. I'll have to read it several times over and over and over again to see if I can understand this thing. He'll help me. I'm so grateful for him. And in this box are my batteries. There are 3 of them, which is really nice because if I had ordered just a regular Mavic Mini, it would have only come with 1. But because I ordered the combo box, it comes with 3. And that is really good. Here's the 3rd one. I can put all my bits and pieces on the side so that I don't get myself any more confused than I usually am. And this is the chart where the batteries are charged, right in here. And in this last box, the one I thought was a box of trash, is actually the guards for the propellers. I really need these because these are useful in case you bump into something and break the propellers. Although I have a replacement, 2 replacement sets, I really don't want to break any of these things. It costs enough. So these will go over these things so that they can be jetty proofed. Amazing. Good. So YouTube, there are 2 of them. And I want to thank you for watching my unboxing. I hope this hasn't been too confusing for you. I'm not a techie person, and so I've done a non-techie unboxing of the Mavic Mini drone. Thank you. So before I go, let me show you all the things that came in this box for the unboxing of the Mavic Mini drone. Here we go.
We have the drone itself, the controller, and we've seen we slip the phone in there so you can see how that fits in, and the 2 antennas that are propped up at the back, and you'll see the joysticks that screw right in. This is an extra set. There's also a set that is enclosed in the case itself for storage that you can pop out and put in. You have the charging cables, charging cable for the controller, the battery pack, and you can plug it directly into the drone itself if you wanted to charge that way. You have the battery charger, and right beside that you have the 3 batteries. You can charge 1, 2, or 3 batteries at a time. The charging block itself, the spare blades, the little screwdriver that they included for changing the blades. And these are the cables that connect the controller to your phone. And there are three of those. You have a mini connector, you have a C connector, and a lightning connector. So you can plug up just about any phone. And of course in the back are the propeller guards and that lovely little case, and of course the instructions that tell you how to use and put together everything.
So there it all is, YouTube. All the things that came together in this unboxing for the Mavic Mini drone. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I want to remind you to remember to subscribe if you haven't already, to like, and of course to share.